So what we'll be also discussing today is also the opportunity for Bosnia and Herzegovina in terms of the care economy. Across the world, we know that women make up the majority of employees in the care economy when it is formalised. In Bosnia and Herzegovina, there's approximately 120,000 jobs, or 15% of total employment is in the care economy. Across Europe, that average is 17.4%. So there is room for growth, and there is room for this to be developed further. And so this is also an opportunity.
Reducing the amount of care work performed by women and girls through transformative care policies and also investments in the care economy enables women and girls to realize their economic rights and opportunities. It increases labor force participation, so it fully utilizes the human potential of all workers in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and it ensures access to decent jobs. So really it's a win-win for everyone.
Podatak da u prosjeku u Bosni i Hercegovini, to je naša studija, jedan od nalaza pronašla, žene provode 6,5 sati u ekonomiji brige, odnosno u aktivnostima brige, dok muškarci 3,5 sata u aktivnostima brige, znači za 3 sata manje.